Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 16.1 latest profile on iPhone without computer and jailbreak. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch Safari browser and in Google we have to search for these words. After that, we are going to use the second link that you can see on the screen. Tap to open. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website and we have to slightly scroll and tap on iOS 16. This is the latest iOS 16.1 profile and tap on this blue button. After that, tap install this red. On the next page, we have to tap on allow and tap close. Minimize the Safari browser and launch settings. Here we have to tap on downloaded. Tap install in top right corner iPhone passcode required and tap install and install. If you want to restart, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap not now. Now tap done. Go back, settings and general and tap software update and you will get iOS 16.1 latest profile ready to download. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.